Hi there, I am Drew Wisnant. I am one of the program delivery partners for First LEGO League Challenge and First LEGO League Explore here in Alabama. Today we're going to look at exporting programs from your Spike app so that you can save them onto a different hard drive, some kind of cloud storage, a USB drive, somewhere external to where they're being created so that you can have backups or extra copies of them. And we'll look at maybe some more advanced sharing and saving techniques in a different video. So I'm on my MacBook right now, and what you're about to see should work about the same for a Mac or for a Windows PC. So I'm going to pull up the application, and I'm going to work on a Spike Prime. You can see I've got this export project already created. It's got just 2 blocks in it, so not a lot going on there. But if I wanted to, right now there's these 3 dots, and I've got a couple of options here. One is Save As. If I click on that, it will open up the file browser, and I can save a copy of my project somewhere else, or I can click on the 3 dots and click on Move To, and that will move the project from where it is currently located on the default folder somewhere else. And you can go digging for where those defaults are on Windows or on Mac. It's not really important, and it's not going to gain you a lot, but you can by all means absolutely do that. You also have the option in the base app going over here and opening your projects, and you can click on the 3 dots and you can get the rename and move to here as well, or you can check the circle. This is especially helpful if you have multiple projects, and you can duplicate and you can rename, but you can't really move them or copy them somewhere else on your computer. This will just copy it into the local storage. So definitely the 3 dots, rename, move to, or even with the program open, the 3 dots, save as, move to. Remember, save as will create a new copy of your program, so that's good for a backup or a spare copy, whereas move to is good for physically relocating the project somewhere else on the computer. Now, if we were to do this on a more mobile device, such as an iPad, right, we can open up the Spike app. I can go to my home, and I can see I've also got this export project right here. So if I open it up, I can click on the 3 dots here, and I've got rename. So I don't have that same feature in the iPad app. But if I go home and click down here at the bottom where it says My Projects, and open that up, then I'm taken to a familiar screen. I can click on these 3 dots, and I've got this share button, which will pull up a list of apps, or if you've got your contacts enabled, contacts to share it with. You can email it to yourself. You should be able to open it in Discord, Google Drive, a messaging app, Slack, Teams. So you can share it into a bunch of different apps. You also have the option of checking the circle and clicking on share, and this is a really handy function if you have multiple programs you're trying to share. Now this is your more mobile version, so iPad, Android tablets, and Chromebooks should all work about the same with this. So these are the ways that you would share or rename or move your program so that you can get a backup copy of it, or just so that you know where it is. And this is really helpful for saving copies of your program, so that day of the competition rolls up, you need to use a different laptop for whatever, boom, you've got your program saved somewhere else, and you can pull them up pretty quickly.